and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to apply the Olixar PET screen protector to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. While we are using this model, the application process is exactly the same for the S10, so if you are using an S10 you can follow this application tutorial also. Before we begin, take a couple of moments to make sure you have a clean and flat workspace and that your S10 Plus is removed from its case. Please do check you don't already have a screen protector applied, as Samsung's new release does come with this straight out of the box. If you do have one on, just simply peel it away. Start by taking the supplied cleaning wipe and give the screen a thorough wipe down. This will remove any traces of oil or dirt that are on the screen. Next, take the microfiber cloth and use it to dry the screen before finally using the dust removal stickers to dab away like so. This will lift any remaining pieces of dust or lint. You can now turn your attention to the screen protector. Peel back tab 1 like so, taking care not to touch the adhesive side with your fingers. Next, lower the protector to your phone, using the punch hole camera as a guide. Once you're happy with alignment, use the microfiber cloth and the pressure of your thumb to fix the adhesive to your phone. It's important at this stage to push out any air bubbles, as it will be difficult to remove them once you have removed tab 2. Once you are happy with the application, turn your attention to the final step of removing the top protective film. It's recommended to apply a little pressure to this area first to ensure the protector doesn't lift when peeling back this layer. With the application card in hand, slowly peel back tab 2. Use the card to hold the protector in place while you continue to slowly peel the film away. When the protective film is removed, use the microfiber cloth and give the display a final wipe down. This will complete the installation. At this point you will have a well applied screen protector that protects your S10 Plus's display from scratches while not affecting the sensitivity of the screen. So making use of Samsung's in-display fingerprint reader as well as browsing the web and typing can be done with perfect touch precision. As this isn't a glass screen protector, drops to the ground may still be an issue, however your display is fully protected from scratches and scrapes that come with everyday use. One advantage over a glass screen protector is it's almost invisible, meaning you can enjoy your S10 Plus exactly how Samsung intended. I really like how this is also case compatible, as it means you can offer your phone 360-degree protection from bumps, knocks and scratches, all while preserving the stunning design of the phone. Overall, this is a fine choice for anyone wanting to protect their S10 Plus's display without taking anything away from the sleek and premium feel of their phone. That's all we have for this video. I hope you found this application tutorial useful. If you'd like more information or to purchase Olixar's PET screen protector for the S10 Plus, I'll leave a link in the description and comments of this video.